This is the Palisades fire and Mandeville Canyon, and this area was charged up because of winds overnight. And we look over here and you see a house right on that ridge completely inflamed. And that is the experience up in these hilly areas of this part of Los Angeles County.
January 2025, Los Angeles County.
But in terms of sheer destruction, it just outweighs anything I've ever seen. The number of homes that have been burned, what will likely be the dollar figure to fix this all is going to be orders of magnitude higher than any other fire we've had in California.
From West Hollywood to the Pacific Palisades and Malibu to Altadena, fires burning out of control. 59 square miles, destroying nearly 17,000 structures and killing 31 people.
We didn't only lose home, we lost community, we lost neighbors, we lost school, we lost sport, we lost grocery shopping. It feels like you start from bottom after January 7. It's been very tough. It's been tough.
Today, neighborhoods are in ruin. Coyotes can be seen in plain sight in the Pacific Palisades.
There's not enough progress in my mind, and I think there's a lot of factors why around that. It's not straightforward. I think it's complicated.
It's estimated just about 500 homes are being rebuilt. Many residents are facing insurance shortfalls or denials, high rebuild costs, and obstacles laced with bureaucratic red tape.
There was no fire engines extinguishing, there was no water, so they were doing nothing. So we saw mayor and governor looking at the fire in downtown Palisades, in front of Chase Bank.
Yeah, they were interviewing downtown with the fire behind them.
And they were doing nothing, absolutely nothing. No fire truck trying to extinguish those fires.
According to officials, roughly 80% of survivors that were forced to flee their neighborhoods and homes are still displaced.
As you can see, it's beautiful, it's green right now, and it will come back, and it will be better, I think, in the long run. But it's going to take some time, for sure.
In Los Angeles County, Robert Ray, Fox Weather.